Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to find the save game files and config files in the First Descendant game on Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. Open up File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, find users folder. In here you just need to open the username folder guys. If you don't know the username, then you just need to select the start icon. Here is your username ajay.m.b. After that you just need to open the folder, and after that you just need to select view on the top and select show and select hidden items, and after that you can able to see app data folder. Double click on it, local folder, find m1 folder, saved folder, save games folder. Here you can find the save games files listed over here. To find the config files, you just need to go back to saved and double click on the config folder. Double click on the Windows folder. In here you can able to see all config files listed over here. And this is game user settings. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.